So what you do when you want to sit from a young dog
is you sit them back on their haunches. Wow.
Yeah, you bring it. Leo, sit. Ow! Leo. Drop. Drop. Usually you should establish the sit. Good. Did you see that? He's a smart cookie, that one.
Yep.
Sit. Sit. Ow! Too small! Bloody hell!
Okay. Did he get you one?
And when they do that, what you do, you yelp like a puppy.
Yeah.
That was actually... Okay. Sit. 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 Good. Good. Sit. Sit. Sit.
It's an awkward feeling.
Sit.
So big long back legs.
Sit. Yeah, come on. Gently, gently. Okay, let's try again. Sit. Okay, when it doesn't work really well, I break down my criteria.
Yep.
And I go for a little kick in the hind legs. Sit. Yeah, good boy. And there that works better. See, I change it to the... Want to give it a try? I change it just to my flat hand.
Yep.
And then gently... Come on, have a look at that. Hit it. Where are you? Here. I'll let you carry on, Amy, because I've got yucky hands.
Sit. Sit.
Have it just over his nose and bring his back over his nose.
Hang on. I'll try it with my right hand. I've got more control.
Yeah.
Leo. Sit. Sit.
Just back.
Sit.
Yeah. Yes, give it to him. That was good.
That was my mistake for not giving.
So what you are doing, Jenny, you do it on the side like that.
Yeah.
So what you want is you start at his nose and
you
slide
it
back between his ears.
Sit. Sit.
And
sit.
you use that hand position already.
Okay.
Yes.
Leo. Sit. Sit.
Yeah, that's it.
Sit. Leo. Sit. Sit.
Don't be afraid to slide back on his head. Let me try.
I'm trying not to poke him in the eyeballs. I'm not doing too well at this.
Sit. Leo. No, the poor thing is completely confused. Leo.
Yeah.
Sit. So.
Slide back.
And slowly. No. No.
Sit. Sit.
Yeah.
Sit. Sit.
Yeah, that was a lot better. You saw he was backing,
Yeah.
and
He was.
you build it up from there.
dropping.
You want the back and the backhand down.
Yeah.
No. And when he does that, I
Yeah.
would hold my hand in neutral and pull.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it. Good.
Sit. 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 Sit.
Lovely, lovely, lovely.
Sit.
We want.
Sit.
Yeah.
Good boy.
Give him another one. That was perfect.
Boy.